Today is Tuesday, July 17th, and this is the Morpheus Trading Group Daily Stock Pick video. In today's video, we're going to give you a few potential breakout candidates, as well as go over a technique we use called pattern relative strength. And for example, when the market is trying to put in a bottom, and we'll use the QQQ here, or we could even use the NASDAQ composite. As we see here, since 2012, the NASDAQ's rallied higher, broken out above the 200-day MA, come back down to the 200-day MA, and held, and is now trying to push higher. So when we go to look for stocks, we want to find stocks that are holding above their 200-day moving average as well, just so we know that the stock itself is at least as strong as the index. So for example, on GOOG, we see a stock that, like the broad market, broke above the 200-day moving average in late 2011, early 2012, but hasn't done much at all since setting a swing high in the beginning of 2012. Recently, the price action has broken down below the 200-day moving average, which is this orange average here, and you have the price action now rallying back into the 200 and the 50-day moving average, and you have a bearish cross here with the 50-day moving average in teal here, breaking down below the 200-day moving average. GOOG is something that we wouldn't look to trade on the long side when the market starts to get healthy and eventually rallies higher, because it's showing a lot of relative weakness in its pattern. So when we run a scan for stocks on the long side, we want to make sure that every stock we trade is at least above the 200-day moving average when the market is above the 200-day itself. As for potential long setups, we have two for today. Exam is showing a pretty tight pattern here. ExamWorks Group, look for a breakout entry above 1420 and look for about a 15 to 20% move from the entry point as a target. Next setup is EXPE, Expedia. After a strong gap up back in May, the price action pushed higher despite the market not being in trend mode, which is a very positive sign for EXPE. It looks like it's trying to hold support of the 50-day MA right now, which would be a great sign if it can. We look for a buy entry over this downtrend line within the next 2 to 3 weeks. To receive our exact entry, stop, and target prices for the stocks and ETFs discussed in this video, as well as to receive our top-ranked daily picks, please sign up for our exclusive newsletter at morpheustrading.com. Thank you for joining us today. Good luck with your trading. We'll see you again with the next Morpheus Trading Group Daily Stock Pick video.